Florida Gun Laws 2025. You may think it's gun country until you do this one thing wrong. Florida has always been one of the most armed and independent states in the country. From the Everglades to I-95, you've got folks who carry not just because they can, but because they believe they should. But even in this gun-friendly state, it's easy to mess up. A bad traffic stop, a bar with the wrong sign, or a loaded gun in the glove box without knowing the rules, and suddenly you're facing charges. So let's break down Florida's gun laws in 2025. The real deal. No politics, no panic. Just what you need to know to stay legal, stay smart, and stay dangerous. In the right way. Chapter 1. Buying a firearm in Florida. Good news? Florida makes it pretty easy. You don't need a state permit to buy a gun. No long forms. No state-level red tape. Just the usual federal background check through FDLE. But here's the kicker. There's still a 3-day waiting period, excluding weekends and holidays, between buying and taking that gun home. CWL holders skip the wait. Everyone else, you're cooling off whether you like it or not. And while the age limit is 21 to buy a gun from a dealer, Florida's been fighting over whether 18-year-olds should be allowed to again. Bills have been filed, but nothing's passed yet. Stay tuned. If you're planning a gun purchase in Florida, bring patience or bring a permit. Chapter 2. Permitless Carry, aka Constitutional-ish Carry. As of July 1st, 2023, Florida joined the Constitutional Carry Club. If you're 21 plus and legally allowed to own a gun, you can carry it concealed without a permit. But open carry, still banned. Unless you're fishing, camping, or hunting, you better keep that pistol tucked away. Why still get a CWL? No 3-day wait on gun buys reciprocity with 30-plus states. Looks good in court, just saying. No permit doesn't mean no problems. Carry smart. Get the CWL if you travel or want extra protection. Speaking of extra protection, don't forget to pick up some concealed carry shorts, links down below, or go visit relaxfittactical.com and sign up for exclusive deals. Chapter 3. Guns and vehicles driving with your gun in Florida? You've got freedom, but only if you know the rules. Without a CWL, the gun must be securely encased, like in a glove box, snapped case, or zipped bag. Not just chilling loose in your lap with a CWL or under permitless carry. You're good to go with a loaded concealed gun in the vehicle. Don't hand the cops an easy win. Store it smart. Chapter 4. Where you can't carry. This is where most people get tripped up. Even with a CWL, you can't carry. In a school or at a school-sponsored event, at a polling place on election day, inside a courtroom, jail, or courthouse, in bars if you're drinking, or where booze is the main biz, federal buildings like the post office. Yes, really. Anywhere with a no-gun sign and they ask you to leave rule of thumb. If there's security, metal detectors, or lots of government, leave it locked in the car. Chapter 5. Minors and storage laws. Under 18, you can't have a handgun, plain and simple, unless it's under direct adult supervision and for hunting or target shooting. But the real trap, storage. If a kid gets a hold of your firearm and something bad happens, that's your felony. Florida does not play around with negligent storage laws. Have kids in the house? Get a safe. Now. Chapter 6. Red flag laws and legal rumblings. Florida has a red flag law. Cops can ask a judge to take someone's guns temporarily if they're a danger to themselves or others. Governor DeSantis says he wants it gone. But as of mid-2025, it's still in effect. Lawsuits are flying, but no repeal yet. Keep your nose clean, and if you're worried about someone in your circle, tread carefully. Chapter 7. Crossing state lines. Your Florida CWL is solid in over 30 states, but places like California, New York, and Illinois don't care. Traveling with a firearm? Research the other states' laws before you roll. Florida carry rules stop at the border. Don't find out the hard way. Wrap it up. Florida might feel like a gun owner's dream, but even here, the laws are evolving fast. And the consequences for getting it wrong? Expensive and life-changing. At Relax Fit Tactical, we're here to make concealed carry comfortable, easy, and legal. Check out our CCW joggers, shorts, and tactical t-shirts that trigger all the right people. Like, subscribe, and comment to support our small Second Amendment business. Download our free 250-page Tactical Survival Bible at relaxedfittactical.com. Stay legal, stay lethal, stay relaxed.